Okay, so here are some of the vacuums I have in my loft. So we have a Electrolux Contour, a Hoover Legacy Supreme, there's a Panasonic 40 series there, a Hoover Turbopower 3, a Hoover Turbopower 2, a Hoover Elite 2 with the stretch hose, another Hoover Elite 2 with the static hose, and that's in like a blue colour as well. There's an Electrolux Powerline with the weird handle. It's another Turbopower 2 in yellow. Dyson DC04. Turbopower Freedom, Hoover Turbopower Freedom. There's a Hoover Turbopower, another total system there. U2798, I think. Part of a Hoover Turbomaster. And another Hoover Turbopower 2 in a lovely green colour. And there's a Hoover Junior 1036 at the back there. Quite an early model in that style. There's no motor in that, unfortunately, at the moment. There's a Heritage 2 bag down there for a Kirby Heritage 2. I think that's everything. Try not to fall down the hole. There's an Electrolux 550 there, and another Electrolux Powerline there. Some Hoover Junior casings. That's about it. It's quite crowded up here, really. Oh, there's part of a Hoover Pure Power there, which I got brand new. I use that for parts, regrettably. Anyway, there we go. That's the loft.